What's up, guys? Let me show you how it folds down, guys. Hold on. All right, that folds and the frame folds. You put this in the closet. See that, guys? Oh, the pedal. Let me rotate the pedal a little bit. There we go. Oh, wait a second. That's good. See that, guys? Folds up, put it right in the closet, you're good to go. All right, Trey. Understood that. Guy got the whole boardwalk, but he prefers to walk on a bike path. I don't get it. What are you gonna do, guys? Oh, somebody's cooking something good. I smell food. It smells good. All right. Get a nice tan today, guys. The sun's out. There's the bar all wrapped up. That's a tiki bar outside. They got it all wrapped up. This is called Pier Village, guys. Wow. The wind. Woo! Wind is strong. Yeah, I love the mag wheels. I just saw my reflection in the window. I love the mag wheels. I'll look at this bike. This bike is getting a lot of looks too. The future of e-bikes. Just this look, very cool look. There's a lot of them though, guys. A lot of bikes to choose from. This is a very good choice for the price point and the portable. This probably would compete with electric bikes, I gotta admit. I think the electric bike has a slightly larger battery, but it also has the BMX look. This is definitely a different look than the BMX look. The electric XP Lite is a very nice bike for the price. But yeah, it definitely has a different look than this. This is definitely kind of a modern look. And I think the sensor, the cadence sensor, works better than electric. I'm telling you, it's very smooth. This has some sort of, it's incredible in there, electronic cadence sensor. It's nice. Works with the motor perfectly. Very, very smooth, like I said. Man, the wind is horrible. Woo. A lot of wind today. I didn't know it down here. We're gonna keep going, guys. The end of the beach, and then we'll go across to this lake. It's called Takanasi Lake. It's in Deal. Stop for a minute and we'll go back around. Hey, pup. I gotta get you one of these suspension seat posts. I think you'll like it. You know, it's comfortable. It bounces up and down when you hit a bump. It really helps. You know, I'm usually sore when I ride a bike, like a particular kind of bike. This is no problem. It feels comfortable. Is that seat high enough or too low? It's okay? Huh? It's windy, right? Very windy. All right, where are we at? 6 miles. A little over 6 miles. Let's keep going. Where's the bars? Bars are still all the way up. Still going good. I'm hot with this jacket. So I took the jacket off. Woo! Windy, windy. Guys, still on pedal assist, no throttle. I told you I want to do a true range test just with pedal assist. See how far you get. And I got it on high. I got the pedal assist on high. Working perfectly. I still got 3, let me see. Yep, 3 bars coming on 7 miles. Thirsty, you? This wind is making me thirsty. Getting a little resistance, guys, from the not a lot of resistance, but just some feedback, some noise feedback from the front disc. I don't know what happened. It could just be dirty. It's windy today. Some dirt could have blew inside the brake pad. Just could be something minor, because when I started out there was 0 noise. Now I'm getting a little noise from the brake. It's probably that. I just passed by landscapers. They blew some dirt on me. All right, we're at 7 miles. Let's keep going. sidewalks. Still going good. All 3 bars. Seat post helps out great. I didn't feel nothing just now. Ghostbusters. Like the Ghostbusters ambulance. Sea Watch. I'm going to stop over here for a breather, stop by the lake for a few minutes, and then we're going to keep going, guys. Tires feel good. Everything feels good so far. Almost at 8 miles. Very windy too. Keep that in mind. All right, let's stop here for a second. Alright guys, I'm going to resume this video. I'm only going to rest here for a couple of minutes. I'm going to shut the battery off so it doesn't deplete the battery. I still got 3 bars. I'm almost at 8 miles. We're going to keep going. Alright. Okay guys, here's my opinion of the bike after 28 miles. That's how long the battery lasted. 28 miles range test. Not bad for this little bike and a little battery. I shouldn't call it a little bike. It's very comfortable. It just looks like little. It looks small because of the upright riding position. Very nice. Okay, seriously, I got 28 miles out of it. The suspension seat post is great. Having no shocks in the front stinks, but it's a very thin tire, lightweight bike. It's not that bad. It's for a road bike. It's really not for trails, even though I did take it on a little trail, and you could do it at a campground, no problems. But yeah, 28 miles on road, guys. I did not get that fatigued at all. Like I said, there's not many seats you buy with these bikes that are very comfortable out of the box. I usually change every seat I ever bought. This seat's acceptable, and it's probably because of the suspension seat post. I'm sure that plays a role. I like the idea of the no spokes. I like the mag wheels. The brakes are fine. They're not hydraulics, but like I said, this bike top speed is only 15.5. It's not 20 miles an hour. It's not 25. It's not 30. So these brakes, mechanical disc brakes, are fine because of the speed. I stopped fine. The lights are fine in the front. They're not that bright, but they're, you know, these are like the standard lights that come with most e-bikes. It puts a little bit of light, not a lot. You're seen on the road. Back tail light, it's not bad. It's a battery operated one. It does not. It comes, you know, separately on the bike. It comes with the bike, but I mean to say it's not hardwired. It's a battery operated one, and it's fine. And I'll tell you, while I was riding this, I got a lot of looks by the beach. A lot of people did like the frame. The frame design is very beautiful. It is. And the fit and finish, the one-piece frame with the no welds and the paint job, I love the paint job. It's like a, what is it, a blue cyan. But it looks like it's green, guys. And I don't know if you see that logo. See that logo? It kind of shines. It's like a kind of a shiny metallic. But yeah, it pedaled very well. I did 28 miles. I came back. I was not that tired. It was nice, man. It's a nice little bike. If you want nice exercise with a little bit of help, maybe for a little older, it's fine, man. And like I told you, the portability, perfect. This thing folds up. You saw the video. It folds up very nice. It's comfortable. It really is comfortable, guys. I'll show you the cockpit here. There's no display like I told you. It just has this button, gives the 3 bars. I rode this until the 3 bars, were done. I got 28, I think it was like 28.5 miles out of it. Here's the gears. You got 7 gears. Here's the throttle. Comes with a little stock bell. And it's good enough. It's not obscene. Sometimes those loud horns can be crazy when you pass by people. They get startled. That won't startle them. But it'll give them heads up that you're passing by them. But I still love the frame, guys. Look at the look of this bike. It looks like something from the future. So it's just my opinion. It looks very, very sharp. Look at the frame. I love it. Very, very nice. It's a perfect little bike, man. Now, I will say one negative, I think, but I don't know, because the cadence sensor on this is nothing like I felt before. It's very, very smooth. I don't know what's in other e-bikes, but this is very smooth. When I pedal, it senses every little bit. Not like that little magnetic sensor that most e-bikes have. This is definitely internal. It has some kind of internal gears with the cadence sensor. It really is nice. The price, that's what I was going to talk about. The only negative I have, it's $9.99. I'm thinking if they lower it just a little bit to compete. The only reason I said that, because the electric bikes, they make a fold-in bike as well, and they're getting $7.99. So I'm thinking if they lower this $100 or put a $100 mail or coupon or something, then I think they'll get more customers for this bike. But it is a cool look. It's a very, very cool look. Just look at that bike. If you don't think that's cool looking, I don't know. I think it's awesome. I love the one-piece frame, and that's probably why when I rode it, I got 0 rattles. I didn't get no rattles from this frame, nothing. So it's very cool. I like the stem. It's upright. The suspension seat post is definitely a plus. You definitely need that with these little thin tires, but there's no resistance on the road, guys, that much because of the thin tires. Anyway, that's my opinion of the bike. It's a very nice bike. It's portable. If they lowered $100 or give a coupon maybe for 50 to 100, I think they'll sell a lot more. But this is nice. DYU T1. Very cool looking bike, man. It looks like something from the future. Very nice. Okay, guys, thank you for watching.